Evans, this is Miss Blatt, and I have a fun poetry project for you today. Today you're going to listen to a poem, and you are going to think of what the tone that the poet was trying to explain to you. Does it make you feel happy? Does it make you feel sad? Does it make you laugh? So what I would like you to do is you're going to draw a picture that goes with the poem I read. After you've drawn your picture and you put your name on your paper, I would also like you to tell me what tone you think the author had when he wrote this poem. Do you think he was trying to entertain you? Do you think he was serious? Was it a scary poem or was it a funny poem? You need to write a couple sentences about what you think the poet's tone of this poem was. So here I go with the poem. It's called I Took My Doggy for a Walk. It is written by Ken Nesbitt. I took my doggy for a walk. I thought it would be fun. The moment that we got outside, he took off at a run. I gripped the handle of his leash. It instantly pulled tight. My dog was strong. He ran so fast, I practically took flight. He pulled me through the neighborhood. My doggy likes to roam. I bumped and bounced and banged around until he came back home. So now that I'm bruised and battered, like a ratty, tattered rag, I took my doggy for a walk. He took me for a drag. Okay, so I'm so looking forward to your picture and then your explanation of what you think the poet was trying to share with the reader. Was he sharing something funny? Was he sharing something serious? It's up to you to go ahead and make your own decisions by writing a couple sentences about the tone of the poem. Thank you. Bye.